Picture this. You come home after a long, exhausting day. You drop your bag, kick off your shoes, and instantly feel that wave of stress. The sink is full of dishes. The couch has clothes thrown over it. Your desk is a jungle of papers, chargers, and coffee mugs. You tell yourself you'll deal with it later, but later never comes. What if I told you that the solution isn't hours of deep cleaning? It's just 10 to 15 minutes a day. A daily mini cleaning routine can completely transform your home and, more importantly, your mental health. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why this small habit might be the smartest decision you ever make. Reason number 1. Clutter equals hidden stress triggers. We often underestimate how much our environment affects our mind. Every item out of place is like a little mental notification. Deal with me later. The more clutter you see, the more your brain feels overloaded. That's why messy homes often make us feel restless, anxious, or even guilty. But here's the truth. A daily mini cleaning routine prevents clutter from ever building up. Instead of letting mess pile until it's overwhelming, you stay ahead of it. Just 10 minutes a day can silence those mental notifications and replace stress with calm. Reason number 2. Small habits beat big burdens. Think about brushing your teeth. You don't wait until they're yellow to spend an hour scrubbing. You clean them daily in 2 minutes. The same logic applies to your home. When you clean a little every day, you never face the burden of a massive weekend cleaning marathon. The daily routine feels almost effortless, but the long-term payoff is huge. Your home stays consistently fresh, and you save hours of deep cleaning misery. Small habits create big results. Reason number 3. The reset button for your day. Here's a genius secret. A mini cleaning routine acts like a reset button for your mind. Imagine waking up and seeing a neat living room, a tidy kitchen, and a clutter-free desk. Doesn't your day already feel lighter? This daily ritual isn't just about dust or dishes. It's about starting and ending the day with order. Psychologists call this environmental cues. When your surroundings look calm, your brain mirrors that calmness. Suddenly, your mornings feel productive, and your evenings feel restful. Reason number 4. 10 minutes equals maximum impact. Many people avoid routines because they think cleaning takes forever. But here's the twist. You only need 10 minutes. Set a timer. Pick 1 or 2 quick tasks, clear the counters, load the dishwasher, fold blankets, or put clothes in the hamper. The trick is consistency, not perfection. Over time, these micro-cleaning moments add up. Your home never hits chaos, and cleaning never feels like punishment. You're not working harder, you're working smarter. Reason number 5. Builds discipline and control. Life often feels chaotic. Work deadlines, family responsibilities, unexpected challenges. A daily mini cleaning routine gives you back a sense of control. Every time you tidy your space, you're proving to yourself that you can handle the little things. That discipline spreads. You'll find yourself more organized in work, more punctual in tasks, and more confident overall. It's incredible how folding a blanket or wiping a counter can ripple into discipline in other parts of your life. Reason number 6. The mental health boost you didn't expect. Science backs this up. Clutter increases cortisol, the stress hormone. On the flip side, a clean space lowers anxiety, improves sleep, and boosts focus. That's why so many people say they think better in a tidy room. Your daily mini routine isn't just about hygiene. It's about mental health. Imagine ending every day with a small ritual that leaves your home peaceful and your mind relaxed. That's not cleaning. That's self-care disguised as chores. Reason number 7. Prevents the snowball effect. Here's the danger of ignoring daily cleaning. Small messes snowball. 1 dirty dish turns into 10. A few clothes on the floor become a mountain. And suddenly, you're staring at hours of work you don't have energy for. The mini routine kills the snowball before it grows. You wash the single dish. You fold the single shirt. You put back the single book. Each action takes seconds, but together, they prevent the avalanche of clutter that drains your weekends. If this video inspired you to start your own mini cleaning routine, go ahead, hit the like button, Subscribe to the Big Sweep and share this with someone whose home always feels messy. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community, because sometimes the smallest routines create the biggest transformations.